D&Js.
Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to make tiny top hats, and I had 5 of them. Looks like I have 4. Lily stole one. So we have these
only white one.
Well, we're gonna make tiny little top hats out of these. We're gonna use the plastic ones that we got at the dollar store as a mold, and we're gonna make permanent little paper mache hats out of them. How's that sound?
Good.
So you can make your own, and then you won't have to steal one of mine again. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt to it. Do you know why we put salt in our mix? Because the salt will help prolong the shelf life. And it'll stop it from molding and things like that. So that'll be super cool too, huh? So 1/2 water and 1/2 flour. And then we're gonna mix it up until it's like pancake batter.
Oop, I got some paste on me.
Yeah, paste, we're about to have all kinds of paste on us. Alright.
Last video, for some exact reason, paste was all on my arm.
Yeah, happens. It happens. Uh-oh, I think I added too much water. I think we should add some more flour.
Can I add it?
Shake it out. Alright.
Good enough?
Let's check it out.
Or is it still a little bit too watery?
I'd say it's about right. You just want to make sure you get all the lumps out.
Touch test.
Touch test.
Yeah, it's where you test if it's too watery, and I say it might be.
Alrighty.
Yeah, and it's still pretty chunky. Kind of a chunk all over me.
Alright, why don't you check and see if we got papers that are the right size for these tiny hats.
We can tear some papers up.
Yep, we're going to need them kind of small for these.
Usually we do not big things. I got big.
We do bigger things than these tiny little hats,
Yeah.
huh? So the hats are probably one of the smallest things that we make.
And I'm pretty sure we're going to be keeping them. We're going to be putting string on them at the end because I don't think they're going to just magically stay on.
Well,
your head.
actually, so what I usually do with the tiny little hats is I put like hair clips on the insides.
Oh.
And then you can just clip them to your head. I don't think the little strings would be ideal for like permanent use. We could take them off of these.
Yeah, and then we would have 4 of them. Well, 5 if I take off this hat.
Yeah.
I want to keep this one. I like
I
it.
don't know.
Yeah, this is a cheap
You might
hat.
have to make your own.
I like my top hat. The top hat does not match my outfit at all, but still like it. But these are for Americans Day, I think. Veterans Day.
Veterans Day. I think we got them for Memorial Day, actually. And
This is cloth, not paper, Mom. Where did we get Sonic cloth from? It's not cloth, it's tissue.
it was tissue and can be used for a variety of paper mache projects.
Oh,
It's just
really?
maybe not ideal for this one.
Unless you want a very soft hat.
Well, it won't be soft by the time we get done paper macheing it.
True. Unless you want a kind of soft hat.
No.
But it would rip really easily since... got paper stuck on my foot. Whoop. It technically has paper on it. I stepped on something.
Well, tearing down to the smaller pieces of paper make it easier for us to shape like the bill of the hat, and then we can make sure that it holds form really well. So,
Those are cheap hats.
well, yeah, we got them 5 for $1 at a dollar store, Lily. But the point was not to use the hats to wear. I didn't expect the hats to be durable. I really bought them so that we could use them as molds. So as long as you are careful with your molds, then your molds will last quite a long time. We've probably been reusing
tons of mask
different
molds.
different molds for different things for quite a few years now, and they seem to hold up pretty well.
If you don't bend them and break them.
Right. Well, I mean, even if someone breaks the hats like this, we can put them back together using just plain old tape, and then we can still use them
like
for a
we did
mold.
to one of our masks.
Yes. Not doing masks though today.
Yeah. Why do the
Stay on topic.
why do the little hats have paper clips in them? I mean, paper.
Oh, that because they stapled the strings on.
But that's. Can't you just glue them?
Well, I mean, you could have, but with their type of hat, then it wouldn't have worked. With ours, we're probably going to hot glue the clips on. That way they'll be on there permanently. And then the hats will function much like hair clips. All right.
And like our other hats we've made.
Right, so the other the other tiny hats that we've made in the past were actually quite a bit taller. So it depends on what kind of molds we find on what kind of hats we can build. Be careful where you put your projects down at. Or your paste might wind up sticking your project to your work table.
Yep, all the paper just came up and sticking to the bottom.
Well,
maybe
you're
I
supposed
should
to stick the paper to the hat, not the hat to the paper. Right.
Would these tiny hats work on Albert?
I'm not sure. Once they're dry and painted, we'll have to see if he'll model them for us.
It would be cute. But he probably won't like it, if I have to say. He'll be fine. He's up here plotting his revenge. I just noticed that I've been grabbing paper out of that when I should be grabbing paper out of the pile we made for paper.
Right.
So they would fit the tiny hats. This tiny hat has a dent in it. That's okay. I won't include the dent. Yeah, that's what I shouldn't be doing. I dropped my hat into the paper place again. You've done 2 hats.
I know.
Why am I so slow?
Because you're clamping.
It's in my blood.
What?
Oh no, save the little paper. Save it. You're bad at rescuing people, paper.
Alrighty. Well, I have to say, as usual, I finished ahead of you. So.
Maybe I just need to start before we even start the video.
Oh.
Then I'll always be ahead of you.
Well, I thought the whole point was just to teach people how to do what we do.
That's true.
Well, tell you guys what. While I help Lily finish up her last hat, you guys go ahead and check out one of our other videos. We'll see you next time.
Bye.